Hey everybody, it's me, Joe. I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to teach you some new words, but more importantly, I want to teach you how to learn new words. Okay? If you learn what I'm teaching you in this video, your vocabulary is going to get better really, really fast. All right? Now, it is a great idea to try to learn new vocabulary every day. By this, I don't mean just looking at a list of words and trying to remember them. I mean using your English and naturally encountering new words. But because the new words are inside an interesting story, you are able to understand them, and then you know more about how to use them. That's key. I'm going to show you 4 stories today with some new vocabulary. Then I'm going to ask you some questions about the new vocabulary. And from what you know about the stories, I think you'll be able to guess the meanings. Okay? Before we get started, if you want lots of help with your English, I recommend you follow me on YouTube, so you can watch lots of helpful videos and see a new one every Saturday. Click follow, like, and the notification button down below. Okay? Let's get started. Here's the first story. There once was a very unlucky man named Walter Summerford. He was struck by lightning a total of 3 times during his lifetime, and once more after he passed away. The first 3 lightning strikes happened in 1918, 1924, and 1930. The first 2 times he became partially paralyzed, so he couldn't move part of his body, but he recovered and got all better after a few years. He died in 1932, but nature wasn't done with him. In 1936, his tombstone in a Vancouver, Canada cemetery was hit by lightning. I think he was a magnet for electricity since he attracted it so much. Now, here are the questions about the vocabulary. See if you can guess the right meanings. Okay, what does passed away mean? Does it mean, number 1, pass something to someone? Number 2, die or stop living? Or number 3, pass another car? Then, what does paralyzed mean? Does it mean 1, can't move? 2, can't think? Or 3, can't speak? And what does tombstone mean? Does that mean 1, a big mountain? 2, something you throw? Or 3, a grave marker? And the answers are die and stop living. That's passed away. Paralyzed means can't move. And a tombstone is a grave marker. Now, you've made it this far in the video. I want to give you a secret code. In my videos, I put in secret codes so that you'll know if you're getting, how far you're getting and how good you are as a student. Most students don't listen to the first code, secret code. Very few students only hear 2 secret codes. Only the best of the best listen and find all 3 secret codes and then send them to me at Teacher Joe Crossman. When you do that, I'll know you're a great student and I will help you more. It's that easy. All right. So the first secret code is lightning is dangerous. Now here's story number 2. Some people experience goosebumps on their skin either when they experience cold temperatures or strong emotions. Sometimes the hypothalamus, a part of your brain, sends a message to the nerves in your skin to tighten up so your hair stands on end and your skin has goosebumps. Now that's a very short story, just kind of a little paragraph, but can you guess the meanings of these words? Okay, what does goosebumps mean? Number 1, tiny geese on a farm. Number 2, bumps on your skin. Or 3, places where a goose sleeps. Next, what does hypothalamus mean? Is that 1, your brain, 2, part of your skin, or 3, part of your brain? And what does stand on end mean? Does that mean 1, standing straight up, 2, at the end of a class, or 3, lie down? And the answers are: goosebumps are 2, bumps on your skin. Hypothalamus is 3, part of your brain. And stand on end means 1, standing straight up. Okay, here is story number 3. It might be hard to wrap your head around this, but black roses actually exist in nature. There is a place a bit bigger than a hamlet in the country of Turkey that goes by the name of Halfeti. Black roses grow in that village during the summer months. All right, now here is a test for words in that little story. I hope you get them right. Now, what does to wrap your head around mean? 1, to understand or believe. 2, to cover something up. Or 3, to ask questions about something. Next, what does hamlet mean? Is it 1, a small village, 2, a pig farm, or 3, a type of food? And finally, what does goes by the name of mean? Does it mean 1, goes fast, 2, traveling by, or 3, is named? Now here are the answers. To wrap your head around means 1, to understand or believe. Hamlet means 1, a small village. And goes by the name of means 3, is named. I hope you got them right. Now, here is the second secret code, and it is: I've never seen a black rose. Okay? So you've made it this far. You are a fantastic student, but don't stop. Let's keep going. Story number 4. North Korea, aka the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, has a rather peculiar policy about voting. Voting is mandatory to elect people, but each ballot only has 1 name on it. This means the voters don't actually get a choice of candidates or people to elect. So now here's the final test. Can you guess these words? Guess the meanings of these words. All right. What does AKA mean? Is it 1, a common name, 2, also known as, or 3, a Korean word? Next, what does peculiar mean? Does that mean 1, something normal, 2, something fun, or 3, something strange? Next, what does mandatory mean? Is that 1, men do this, 2, everyone must do this, or 3, something in government? And the last word, what does candidates mean? Is it 1, people running for election. 2, people who want money. Or 3, people who are on dates. Now here are the answers. So AKA means also known as. Peculiar means something strange. Number 3, mandatory means everyone must do this. And the last one, candidates means people running for election. Okay, now you encountered a lot of new words in this video. I hope you were able to guess a lot of them. You can tell me down below how many did you get right. And here's the third secret code. It is, I like voting. Okay? Now, send those secret codes to me on Instagram and I will help you more. Now, if you want to study more English right now, I'm going to put a link right here. And that goes to another video. You'll see a different beard, a little shorter, a little longer. Different shirt, of course. But the most important thing is that you keep studying. Okay? And by the way, did you learn any new words today? That's it for now. See you later.